Alright, hello internet, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company. It is Sunday, June 7th. Getting a jump start on the week. Oh, let's get it going. Alright, gonna try something a little different today. So it's Sunday, so we're starting the week. Gonna go over goals, projects, and tasks for the week. Our goals for the business, ignore the stuff in this column. Get 5 videos posted again, just like we were doing. Get our kitchen rack, our Wally, are done this week. We figured out everything last week. Hopefully, everything. I don't know what that means to figure everything out, but maybe. Get the pricing done. Active projects, same as the goals. Imagine that. Pricing, startup stuff, and the vlog, specific tasks this week. So again, all the accountability stuff that we've been doing each morning and night, making these videos, get the prototypes done, do some PC maintenance, and again, the pricing. So here we are for Monday. Today's focus is going to be on kitchen racks. Tasks going to be kitchen racks. We lost a board or one of the little beams. We're going to find that or make that today. Get a whole bunch of pins made. There's lots of these little metal pins. We'll be sitting there with the welder for a bit today. Challenges, hopefully none. I think we know what we're doing and we just got to get it done today. All right, today's review. We got done today. Well, we scrubbed all our old docs regarding pricing, developed a new plan, collected receipts, entered a bunch of that. We got a pricing prompt built for the AI. Today, we got our washers drilled and sanded, pins and plugs cut, and we're all set up to build stuff tomorrow. Thought we'd be building today, but things take a while. We had some appointments this morning. What I learned today is that doing it right the first time is hard when you don't know what you're doing. I went through this before without the help. I'm curious how folks, I've noticed a lot of people are hating the AI or really liking it. I think it's a pretty handy tool. You run a game plan through it and say, what's a waste of time? What makes sense here? What should I do now versus later? Strengths, weaknesses. You do your thinking and let it critique it. That's a very simple way to be useful that I didn't have before, and I wish I did. It probably would have saved some time. That's it for today, June 8th. Signing out.